feel like I lost an hour and a half of my life the other night. I got on this app called TikTok. Everyone's into TikTok now. It's really fun, but it triggers a dopamine response, and so we just end up watching video after video after video, and next thing you know, it was 1:30 in the morning, and I don't know where the time went. So I lost sleep. And although it was fun to see what people are up to and the different things that people are doing, it's really quite funny actually. But what I want to talk about today is how we can get sucked into videos and apps and conversations on text, messages, YouTube videos, all kinds of different stuff on our phones and on the computer. As we're doing online school right now, it's really hard to get away from the screens. And balancing our lives with reality versus the screen reality is really important, because at the end of the day, we are just who we are. We are living in this world the way it is. Like, we can't just hide from it, ignore it, and tune it out completely. So the challenge today is to turn off notifications on your phone, to start creating space for your time to check email, your time to check texts, your time to have screen time, and limit yourself and see what that discipline does for how you feel. And in the time that you would have been spending on your phone, see if you can do something that's a creative outlet. Draw, paint, cook, bake, gather flowers and create a bouquet, do something kind for others, go volunteer. There's a lot of food banks that need help right now. What can you do that'll help you with your own internal creative expression? Sing a song, turn on some music and dance. Just find something to balance all this screen time. Because although it's great that we have a way to go into other worlds with TV and movies, and we have ways to stay connected with texting and messaging and sharing different videos with each other, I'm not saying that any of that is wrong, but we need balance and we need to unplug. So just to get ourselves centered for the day, turn your mindful bodies on, heavy from the waist down, light from the waist up, like a tree growing branches up into the sky. Maybe even give a little stretch. And close your eyes. Taking one nice deep breath in through your nose, blow it out through your mouth. Breathing in for 5 counts and out for 5 counts. Let's breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in, and out. And as you're breathing today, I'd like you to really notice how it feels to have your eyes closed and unstimulated by a screen. Relax your jaw. Let your shoulders get heavy. Settling into your seat. Anything that's a distracting thought at the moment, just put that in a bubble and let it float off out the window, up into the ethers. If it's something that you saw on the news yesterday or today was disturbing, put that in a bubble and let it flow out of the window, out into the ethers, allowing for stillness. Be here right now. Breathing. I'm gonna flutter your eyes open, come back to the room that you're in, and just maybe reflect on how can you create some discipline around your screen time today. For me personally, I think I'm going to actually turn my phone off while I'm working, and I'm gonna make sure that I get outside and go for a walk today. I tell my kids and myself every day we need to get outside. Even if it's raining, get outside, grab an umbrella, get outside, get some fresh air, open a window, and get some sunshine on your face if it's a sunny day, and exercise. The other critical thing right now especially is exercise. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin C, vitamin D. Make sure you're drinking lots of water. Take care of yourselves, and see if you can find a creative outlet today that does not involve a screen. You can find all my videos on YouTube at sustainablethree, THREE. I hope you continue to watch them. There's something like 5 hours of content up there now, so you can pick and choose what topics resonate with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.